Welcome to Holistic Health Vibe. Today we'll discuss the benefits of field poultices, so let's begin. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you were injured in the wild? No hospitals, no first aid kits, no help for miles? What if your only lifeline was the very earth beneath your feet? In a world dominated by modern medicine, there's a forgotten power growing quietly in backyards, meadows, and forest paths. Plants that saved lives on ancient battlefields and still carry those secrets today. This is the story of the field poultice, a time-tested remedy crafted from wild herbs that you can use to fight infection, stop bleeding, ease pain, and even save your life when you have nothing else. A poultice is more than just crushed leaves, it's a lifeline. Used for centuries by indigenous healers, battlefield medics, and survivalists, poultices are soft, plant-based pastes applied directly to the skin to draw out infection, stop bleeding, and promote healing. In the chaos of war, medics didn't always have access to bandages or antiseptics. What they did have was knowledge passed down through generations, knowledge of the plants around them. Today that wisdom survives, and you don't need to be a botanist or herbalist to tap into it. In fact, chances are you already walk past these healing plants every day. Let's begin with the most reliable, powerful herbs you can use in a poultice: Plantain, Mullein, Yarrow, and Usnea. Plantain, or Plantago species, is the superhero of backyard medicine. Found growing in sidewalk cracks, fields, and gardens, this unassuming plant has a powerful antibacterial effect and contains allantoin, a compound that speeds up the healing of wounds and promotes the growth of new skin cells. Plantain doesn't just heal, it protects. It can stop bleeding, reduce inflammation, relieve pain, and soothe itching. Whether it's a gash on your leg, a bee sting, or a mosquito bite, a fresh plantain poultice is often the first thing seasoned survivalists reach for. Next up, Mullein, affectionately known as the cowboy's toilet paper. Its wide, fuzzy leaves are hard to miss, but beneath that soft exterior lies a serious healing powerhouse. Mullein is an analgesic, it relieves pain, and also an astringent, which means it contracts tissues and helps wounds close faster. And if you ever run out of actual toilet paper in the wild, well, let's just say you'll be very glad to have some Mullein nearby. Yarrow is another must-have in your poultice kit. Warriors of old would press yarrow into battlefield wounds to stop bleeding. It's both a blood coagulant and a potent antibacterial, making it perfect for cleaning and closing open injuries. Then, there's Usnea, the gray-green hair-like lichen found hanging like beards from tree branches in old forests. Don't let its scraggly appearance fool you. Usnea is one of nature's most powerful antibiotics. It's antimicrobial, antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal. And the best part? You don't even need to grind it up, it's ready to use straight off the tree. Here's how to craft your own field poultice with these incredible plants. Whether you're deep in the backwoods or simply want to prepare for emergencies, this is a skill every adventurer and naturalist should master. Step 1. Gather your herbs. Pick equal amounts of plantain, mullein, and yarrow. Fresh is best, but dried herbs work too, especially in winter. That's why many survivalists carry a small pouch of dried yarrow and plantain in their kits year-round. Step 2. Crush and combine. Grind the herbs together using a clean rock, mortar and pestle, or even your hands. Add clean water, drop by drop, until the mixture becomes paste-like. Step 3. Apply the poultice. Spread the paste directly over the wound. Make sure it's thick enough to cover the area completely. The herbs will immediately begin to draw out toxins, reduce inflammation, and fight infection. Step 4. Bandage the area. If you have a clean cloth, use it to wrap the poultice in place. If you don't, nature provides once again. Use burdock leaves, large, flexible, and non-toxic, as makeshift bandages. They hold the poultice and provide an extra layer of antibacterial protection. Step 5. Reapply regularly. Leave the poultice on for 1 to 2 hours, then remove it. Clean the wound gently with clean water and apply a fresh batch. Repeat as needed until the wound is clean and healing. Let's take a moment and bring this to life. A seasoned backpacker once told a story of falling into sharp shale rock in the mountains, slicing open her calf. With no cell signal, no bandages, and 5 hours from base camp, she remembered her field training. She gathered plantain and yarrow, mashed them with her water bottle cap, applied the poultice, and wrapped it with her spare shirt. When she finally made it back to camp and sought medical attention, the nurse was amazed at how clean and uninfected the wound was. This isn't just old folklore, it's functional survival. These plants aren't merely useful, they're potentially life-saving. Still skeptical? Let's get a little scientific. Allantoin, found in plantain, stimulates the regeneration of skin cells. Tannins, present in Yarrow and Mullein, tighten tissues and seal wounds. Usneic acid, the active component in Usnea, has been studied for its antibiotic-like properties and is even used in pharmaceutical applications. These aren't just old wives' tales, they're plant chemistries backed by research, though often overlooked in mainstream medicine. When you're out in nature, this knowledge becomes more than academic, it becomes essential. The field poultice represents more than survival, it represents self-reliance. In a crisis, your greatest tool isn't just your gear or your GPS, it's your knowledge. Knowing how to identify a humble plant like Plantain or Yarrow and use it to stop bleeding or soothe a wasp. Sting means you're never truly helpless, even in the wild. And remember, these herbs are not just for emergencies. Even in everyday life, you can harvest, dry, and store them for natural remedies at home. Keep a few jars in your pantry, just like you'd keep a first aid kit in your car. But what if I told you that one of these plants has another hidden ability? One that could reverse infection in even the worst wounds, where antibiotics fail. In our next story, we dive into the forgotten war herb used in secret by World War II soldiers that modern science is only just beginning to understand. Don't miss it, nature still has secrets to reveal. Don't forget to like and comment your favorite holistic remedies. And if you enjoy content on holistic health and natural remedies, hit that subscribe button and join my community. Until next time, be happy, healthy, and blessed.